Welcome to the Kronos Time Management for SAP Business ByDesign product presentation. This video shows one of the many different methods for efficiently recording project times in SAP environments. One advantage of our system is that you do not need to install any software on your computer or other equipment. You only need to log on the time recording portal using a standard web browser. The start page of our portal provides you with an overview of all functions such as the time recording system, an optional module for material consumption, and the administration area. This example template was developed for an international SAP Cloud customer in the servicing sector, whose employees perform maintenance on huge industrial plants. All customer project managers should be able to conventionally record and check project times for their team members on a large scale worldwide. This concept would of course also function perfectly on the self-service version. Employees can also conventionally record their own times and transfer these to SAP Business ByDesign. Let's get started with the time recording. First, a comment on the project structure used in this example before we get started. This structure is adopted one-to-one from your own SAP environment. Here you can see all projects and their assigned tasks. The ByDesign system looks like this. Now back to the portal. The task selection list is automatically updating when changing the project entry. This is also possible in the same manner for the service selection list depending on the selected task. In our example, the available services are the same for all tasks. To record times, you must first select the corresponding date. Each date can be selected using the navigating arrows or via the calendar. Now select the employee for whom times are to be recorded. The next step is to select the project, the task, and the service. Now enter the time to be recorded. Start and end are optional values in this example. Data records are stored when the hours have been entered or a value for billable hours has been specified. If a description of work performed is mandatory in your company and the same phrase can be used for all time records, then you only need to enter this phrase in the field Work Description. On saving, this phrase is then automatically adopted for all time records that do not have individually entered work descriptions. All entries are saved via the Submit action. The data is automatically transferred to SAP Business ByDesign at a configurable interval which is set to 5 minutes in this example. The respective transfer status is shown in the SAP response message under each data record. In SAP Business ByDesign, the recorded times and other information is shown here. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions on this presentation or any other time recording applications, then please phone us at 030-201-88566 or contact us via the internet at cobalt.de.